1, 2.
FabFitFun Mommy!
3.
What is up, guys? We're doing a YouTube video. We've been waiting to do it because we wanted to do an unboxing video because we both like doing them.
My name is Joel and her name is Amanda. Mama.
Yes.
And I know her boy.
Okay, so we got this FabFitFun box and we just start to open it and then open it and then open it and then. Anyway, look at this. This is how it came.
Alrighty then.
Kind of smashed up. There's a note on it from the post office that says received damage. I don't know, but okay.
Oh,
Dun, dun, dun. What do we got? Bubbles!
These are our
So?
Wait a minute.
Oh my god. We do not promote violence. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? What did we get? Hold on. Oh, how fun. This is an underwater disposable camera. So these are turn off your day. These are some nighttime vitamins, kind of like melatonin. Melatonin. There is no melatonin. There is no melatonin. Melatonin. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Pineapple and green tea highlight cream.
Can I see?
So it's makeup. So let's try to get it open.
Yeah.
And see. Okay. So this is highlighting. Hold on. So, what's smelling? It's not smelling, but it's like, here, you can put some on your little hand. Let's see. Flip your hand over. Go. I wonder if that knife over there on the windowsill could magically appear. Dun dun dun. Look inside. So first thing we have is
Magazine!
So it's our magazine. So what kind of stuff is in here? All kinds of stuff. We'll read that later. This is a gift card for HelloFresh.
Here is what's inside, guys. It is amazing.
Okay.
Mom, I couldn't.
Okay, so Jill, these hair ties. So you want to try one out?
Yeah.
Well, there is enough for us to share.
Yay!
Okay.
Ow, it really hurts.
So let's see.
Ow.
Hi.
Oh. Na, na, na.
Give it to me.
What is it? A rose. Joe's very excited. How much do you love this box? Tell the people.
20.
You love it 20? Okay. Kula makeup setting spray with SPF 30. This is just what I need because I really need to be wearing a lot of sunscreen. Let's try it out.
2 hours later.
Okay, this is makeup setting spray. Hear that? Yes, I'm not gonna throw this. It's glass, right? The next thing we have is, ooh, this is a mask for your face.
Yay!
Do you want to put it on right now?
No.
Later, okay. Okay.
Confetti!
Ooh, I'm excited about this. But guess what this is?
Oh my god!
What are these for? Do you know?
No.
Okay, let's open up the bag a little bit more and see.
Um.
Dana. What is it?
So you do it like this.
Okay, so we have some resistance bands, which I've been needing because I don't have it in mine. They are medium, and there is a light and a heavy. So these are awesome.
Oh, different.
Oh, look at the red one. It is not even the regular kind. You can do like different kinds of like shoulder
I
exercises.
can do the other one next
You
year.
can step on it and like
Polish.
do like some bicep curls. You know what I mean?
This one different?
Some can't wait to use those. The next thing we have is an exfoliating foot mask.
My dad
I can smell it already. Smells good. This is for your feet, for scrubbing it on your feet. Kind of like when we went to the pedicure today.
Yeah, we got some patterns.
Some patterns. So we can do a home pedicure now.
Yeah.
Okay, next thing. Nourishing. Ooh, I need this. Living proof, no more frizz, nourishing styling cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. This is what I need because I have this frizzy mop on my head. This is the last. What is it? So this is a message board. So we will have to take off the letters and we can put them, make a little message on them. And it comes with all kinds of little things and then also a little bag to put inside of it. So what's the last thing that you have, Joe?
Can I open this, please?
I guess so.
I am going to be opening this.
What is it? Woo! Grace and Stella Rose Spray. It's good for your face. Close your eyes. Does it smell pretty?
Yeah, baby!
We smell
They
amazing.
smell like roses. I wish you this was a smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision. And then you might be able to. Do you smell it? Okay, so Joe, what do you think was your most favorite item in the FabFitFun box this month?
It was this today.
So Rose Face Spray by Grace and Stella. Mine was probably, I'm really excited to try out that frizz cream for my hair because my hair is really frizzy. So thanks so much. So thanks for tuning in. Joe, what do you got to say?